Right guys, so I've printed a few of these now. I had a bit of leftover white material. Part of it's clear at the bottom, or is it this side? So you can actually see the internal structure. And it only just came up about half a millimetre or so. And the rest of it's white. And I just had to put a bit of super glue where the white material had finished out. But yeah, these little croc things are really neat. And this one's actually printed out quite well. So how you print these is pretty straightforward. 3 layers top, 3 layers bottom, inflow about 15-20%. Probably a rectilinear or some type of structure. You can probably see the structure inside anyway. So it gives it a bit of nice, solidness to it. And then just run a knife down the either side of the spine, and sometimes you get a bit of material stuck in there. You'll need a raft up from the bottom because otherwise it will simply ooze material out at the bottom. You can print without a raft, but you'll end up with lots of straggly bits and you'll have to cut them away. But yeah, these are really good for bags, crisp bags, porridge bags, cereal bags, that kind of stuff. And this one's actually printed out quite well. So I highly recommend these. It's up on Thingiverse. Have a look at it. Cheers. Bye.